In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new base in Airtable. We'll go through the full setup process from the moment you open Airtable to the point where you've added your first records and your base is ready to use. If you're new to Airtable, a base is essentially your project workspace or database where you can organize information in a flexible spreadsheet style format. To begin, open Airtable and go to your workspace. Your workspace is the area where your bases are stored, so this is where you'll create and manage everything. If you have access to more than one workspace, just make sure you're in the correct one before continuing. That helps keep your data organized from the start. Once you're in the workspace, click the option that says Add a Base or Create. This opens the setup process for your new base. Airtable is designed to make this part quick, so you should immediately see a few choices for how you want to begin. Next, choose your starting option. You can start from scratch if you want full control over the structure. Use a template if you'd like a pre-built layout for a specific type of project, or import data if you already have information in another file and want to bring it in. The best option depends on how much you already have prepared and how customized you want the base to be. After that, give your new base a name. Choose something clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple bases. A good name can save time and make your workspace much easier to navigate. Now, set up the first table for your data. Think of a table as a category or collection of related information inside your base. For example, one table might store projects, another might track contacts, and another could list tasks. Your first table should match the main type of information you want to manage. Then start adding fields. Fields are the columns in your table, and they define what kind of information each record will contain. You can add fields for text, numbers, dates, select options, or attachments depending on the kind of data you need to capture. Choosing the right field type from the beginning helps make your base more accurate and easier to use. Finally, add your first records. Records are the rows in the table, and this is where you begin entering actual data. Start with a few sample entries to make sure your structure works the way you expect. Once that's done, your Airtable base is officially set up and ready to use.